Exporting data from Pipedrive is simple and allows you to download contacts, deals, and other CRM data for external use or backup. Here's a quick guide. Log into Pipedrive. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account and going to the main dashboard. Navigate to data you want to export. Decide which type of data you need to export, such as deals, people, organizations, or activities. Go to the specific tab for the data type from the top navigation bar. Apply filters. If you want to export only certain data, use filters to narrow down the information you need. You can filter based on deal stage, contact type, or other criteria specific to your data. Export data. Click on the More button and select Export Filtered Data or Export All Data. A CSV file will be generated, which you can download directly to your computer. Open and review. Once downloaded, open the CSV file in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets to review and use the data as needed.